Here it says a theater contains a central block of seats with n seats per row. Blocks on either side contain 4 seats per row. So I said to solve any word problems, we have to understand, be careful to understand all the words and bring all the information that I have. It says for each row, I have n seats and the four seats for each either side. That means for each row, in total for each row, I have n plus 4 plus 4, that would be n plus 8. So for each row, I will have n plus 8. And now I will continue. The number of rows is 5 less than the total number of seats per row. So it says the number of row is 5 less than the number of seats for each row. So I have to say n plus 8 minus 5. 5 less than minus 5 gives me the number of rows. So it would be 8 plus n plus 8 minus 5 gives me n plus 3. It says in total there are 126 seats in the theater. Find the value of n. We are going to find the value of n. We know the total seats is the the number of rows times the number of seats that we have for each row. So I say n plus 3, the number of rows times the number of seats that we have for each row. That is 126. I substitute the first parenthesis inside the second, so it would be n squared plus 11n, and 3 times 8 would be 24, equals 126. I bring 126 in the left side, so I will have 2 squared plus 11n minus 102 equals 0. I have to find the two numbers that add up to 11 and multiply to negative 102. So I say two numbers would be 17 and negative 6. So I write this expression as a factors form, would be n plus 17 times n plus n minus 6 equals 0. The product of two terms equals 0, so at least one of them would be 0. So I say if I get n plus 17 equals 0, gives me n equals negative 17. And if I get n minus 6 equals 0, I will get n equals 6. We know that isn't acceptable because the number of seats couldn't be negative. So n would be 6.